Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to review Bitrix24 CRM. Bitrix24 is a comprehensive CRM and business management platform that's especially popular among small teams and startups looking for an all-in-one solution. It goes beyond just customer relationship management, offering tools for project management, internal communication, marketing automation, and even a built-in website builder. One of the standout features is its free plan, which supports up to 12 users and includes basic CRM tools, task management, and collaboration features. This makes it a budget-friendly option for small businesses that want to stay organized without committing to high monthly fees. Bitrix24 CRM tools allow users to track leads, manage pipelines, automate workflows, and communicate with clients across multiple channels like email, phone, and social media, all from a single dashboard. It also includes features like invoicing, product catalogs, and sales analytics, which can be crucial for teams that need to stay on top of their sales process. Another benefit is the integration with tools like Zoom, MailChimp, and Google Workspace. For internal team collaboration, it offers feeds similar to a social media, built-in video calls, shared calendars, and file storage, keeping everything in one place. While the platform is feature-rich, its interface can feel overwhelming at first. It may take some time for teams to learn the layout and fully take advantage of all the available tools. However, for teams willing to put in a bit of time upfront, it can replace multiple apps and centralize business operations. Overall, Bitrix24 is a powerful and cost-effective CRM solution for small teams that want more than just lead tracking. Its broad range of features makes it ideal for managing not only customer relationships, but also internal workflows and team collaboration. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys found value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.